In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Slack account permanently. This process involves several steps within the Slack interface, and it's important to follow each one carefully to ensure your account is completely removed. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Slack homepage. You can do this by entering the URL for your Slack workspace. Once the page loads, you should see the main Slack interface display in your channels and messages. Next, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will provide you with several options related to your account settings. After that, look for an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Actions button. Click on this icon to access additional options. You will see a list that includes various settings related to your account. Once this appears, select Account Settings from the list. This action will redirect you to the Account Settings page. Here, you'll find various options to manage your account workspace settings. Continue by clicking on Profile within the account settings. This section allows you to review your personal information and account details before proceeding with the deletion process. Now, you will need to open a specific link in your browser. This link is crucial for navigating to the account deletion options. Ensure that you are accessing this link directly from your account settings. Next, find the option labeled Deactivate Account. Clicking this will initiate the process of deactivating your account. Be aware that if you are the primary owner of the workspace, you may encounter a message indicating that you cannot deactivate here. If you receive a message stating you're the primary owner of this workspace, so you can't deactivate your account, you will need to transfer ownership to another member or delete the entire workspace first. Once you've addressed any ownership issues, return to the account settings and look for the option to delete account. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation dialog. Follow the instructions to finalize the deletion of your account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.